Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make my popular galaxy icon. First we want to go to the Pixlr website, which is where I edit most of my icons. And we're just going to use the editor. Create new image, make it 600 by 600 because that's the perfect square. First we have to create the background, so we're going to go to the gradient tool, going to make it pink, and I like to do 2 shades of pink just to create more interest. I'm actually going to do this purple, and we just click and drag it across the picture, and that's your background. Now we can create the clouds, as I like to call them, and we're going to add a new layer. Get our paintbrush, 200. I'm gonna make mine a little bigger and turn down the hardness because I want the outlines to be very smoky-like and not sharp. I did a dark blue cloud just like this on both sides. And I'm just gonna turn down the opacity just a little bit. And we're gonna add a new layer, and we're just gonna create more color in here basically, and you don't have to do this, but I just like to. And just put it all over the place. And we're gonna do a Gaussian blur, I think it's called. Flatten image, because now we're gonna do a vignette kind of thing, if that's how you pronounce it. And I'm gonna, let's see, I think I'm gonna put mine on 40, around 40 is pretty good. And we're just gonna erase some of it so it doesn't have that circular ring, and it's more brighter this way. We're gonna add another layer, and this time we're gonna just do some more pink. We're gonna add pink to this. So I'm just gonna put this all over the place and turn down the opacity just so it brightens up the picture. And again, we're adding another layer and putting in more color. So purple is good to go with the blues and pinks. And I'm just gonna blur this as well because I don't want it to get that green dot, and also turn down the opacity. We're gonna add a new layer and go back over the blue. And now that we have done that, we can add the logo. So what you want to do is you want to go onto Google and just type in Google icon, and anything that pops up should be fine. Just save image, remember where you save it at. And after you saved it, you can go to File, Open Image, find your Google icon, and open it up. And you want to get the magic wand tool, just click on the G, and then what you want to do is press Ctrl C, and then you can press Ctrl V to paste it. And now we are going to do a new layer, and we are going to, we have to go back to the Google layer if you want to put an outline around it. So I want to do a kind of white smokiness around the G like I did before. And once we do that, we can blur it again, and 174 is a good number. We can turn down the opacity, and you can do whatever you want. If you like it that white, then you can keep it that way. Also, don't pay attention to the big stars I put in here because I'm just gonna get rid of that because it ends up looking better without them. And so now that we have the little stars, we can do more stars. And I'm just gonna make smaller stars, or they're actually bigger, but I'm just gonna put them all around the G and then turn down the opacity. and do another layer. And I'm gonna fix the black outline border because it kind of looks weird, and I like it to be more dark around the edges. And it doesn't matter if it's uneven because we're just gonna end up erasing most of it. And we're also gonna blur it once again all the way to 136 and turn down the opacity or turn it all the way up. And this is basically it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked it, and please like the video if you enjoyed it.